Hey there, Scott here from Trimble Audio. Just gonna slide into your DMs with a video here. Somehow with a video, that doesn't make any sense. Whatever. Okay, well that's the opening I'm running with. Yeah, cool. I'm sure by the title of the video you're intrigued. So let's just jump into this. No beating around the bush. After this weekend, all of my courses on Specker Academy are going to be retired. I know what you're thinking. Oh boy, here we go. Scott's lost his mind. He's quitting. Another one bites the dust. Probably going to give us some kind of sob story. No, nothing like that. It's nothing like that at all. But to be fair, you might be wondering why I made this decision, especially considering thousands of you have picked up my either all or some of my courses over the past couple of years, and they have been thoroughly battle tested and approved by all of you, and I'm very grateful and I'm humble for that. But still, you might be wondering, why would I do that? And the simple answer, honestly, I'm evolving. Chernobyl Audio is evolving. I've been reworking my entire approach from workflow to technique to how I can become more efficient. And I think it's just time that I start building on all the ways that I've evolved to create better training material for you. And so that's why I've decided that this material that's currently on offer, I believe should be retired. Now, I really want to stress this. As these courses are getting retired, it means that they're retired. After this weekend, they will no longer be available for purchase. I'm not going to release them on the side. They're not going on my website. I'm not moving to a different platform. It just means that the time has come. The time has come to retire these courses, and that's what it means. So I'm making this video to tell you the deal. Here's the final deal, the final ride, okay? If you click the link below in the description box here, all of my courses are on a pretty good sale price, and that's going to last until Sunday night. At the end of Sunday night, Monday morning, gone. It's gone. And I just really want to make it perfectly clear. This is not a marketing gimmick. This isn't some bullshit where I'm going to be like, gotcha. Just kidding. That's it. This weekend, it's the final sale. So click the link below, grab what you need, or if you want to complete the collection as it were, because once Sunday night ends and it's Monday, I've instructed Alex at Specker Academy to take them all down. They're not going to be available for purchase anymore, ever again. This is knowledge that has helped thousands of people improve their guitar tones and to improve their mixing workflows, improve their mixing in general, improve their drum programming. And you can kind of think of it as a final chance to get in on the legacy, of where Chernobyl Audio started. Let me mention quickly, because I'm sure you're already reading the comments, the courses are not being removed off the platform. If you bought it on Specker Academy, it's on Specker Academy. It's in your dashboard. You're good to go. You can access it at any time. They're not being removed. They're not being shuffled to a different platform. Nothing like that. It's simply just a case of after Sunday, they just won't be publicly available for purchase anymore. But you'll always have access to them in the Specker Academy dashboard. So you keep what you buy. Nothing's being revoked or taken away from you. So I just want to make that perfectly clear, because I'm sure some of you maybe were already like, so what happens to the courses? You own what you already bought. It's in your dashboard. You can download it, do whatever you want with it. It's not being taken away from you. Okay, I'm specifically just talking about the ability to purchase them publicly after Sunday. Anyway, after this, I am off to start developing those new trainings and new resources, and they will be as high quality as I can make them. You guys already know that. You've already taken my courses. I put everything I possibly can into them to explain them, to show you, to demonstrate, and to help you. So I really appreciate you guys, honestly, making those courses what they were to legendary status, because you are the ones that bought them, and you are the ones that recommended them to others, and you are the ones that took them, and ultimately you are the ones that improved your guitar tones and your mixes because followed the advice that I gave you. So nothing bad. No reason to be upset. Everything's good with Specker Academy. There's no bad blood, no issues. So let's make this weekend all about these legendary trainings, yeah? The final sale ends after Sunday. I've said that now in the video. Click the link below, grab what you need. And finally, I just want to say thank you. I want to say thank you to everyone that watches my YouTube videos, leaves a comment, that has supported me, has bought a course over the past couple of years. And I'm very humble, and I'm really shitty at saying thank you. It's weird, you know what I mean? I don't know how to express myself in this way, but I'm very humble. I'm very humbled by all of you that even watch my channel or even give a shit. I can't believe it sometimes. I really don't even, yeah. So, thank you. Thank you to all of you. I'm extremely humbled, and I hope this year I can continue helping you craft better mixes, better guitar tones, and bring your music to a standard that you hear in your head and how you want to hear it. So yeah, that said, I can't wait to show you what's next. I'll obviously let you guys know, but one final ride. All right, one final ride for all of my courses on Spec Air Academy. Link below. Get them before they're gone. Yeah, right. So thank you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one.